How to add someone on Telegram with QR code. For that, open Telegram application. Then you have to tap on three-line menu icon at the top left corner of the screen, and a menu bar or the sidebar will appear where you have to select the settings. When you are on the settings page, you just have to tap on devices under settings. And as you can see here, the option of link desktop device has been shown. Just tap on it. And here, with the help of this scanner, you can easily scan the QR code of your desktop device or of any of your friends that you want to add on Telegram with QR code. So when you scan, you can easily add that person or someone on Telegram with QR code, or you can also add your Telegram account to your own desktop devices as well. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.